Good morning and welcome to my channel for those who are watching this for the first time. Today I'm going to be making some chaffles. Now I know chaffles are the big crave right now in the keto community world, and I am going to do my chaffles, but I'm going to leave a link for my recipe because when I did this recipe before, I did it with the Lupin flour. So I'm using Lupin flour again, and it's the same ingredients, same measurements and everything. And I'm going to add now my wet to my dry, and then I'm going to put it in my chaffle waffle maker. Okay, and just for some nuttiness and some warmth, I put some cinnamon and some pumpkin pie spice. Yum! What I forgot to do is spray the pan. I'm going to let it sit there for a second and let it cook. Hopefully it will come out nice and smooth. If not, we will spray the pan on the next one. Okay, well, look at that. She comes right out with no problem. Hey! Okay, this is the second one. And just so you know, I use this. It's just 3 tablespoons. This is 1 tablespoon, so I use 3 tablespoons of this measurement, and it makes one perfect chaffle. I have enough batter, so I'm gonna cook all of this batter out, and then I am going to freeze my chaffles. And these you can freeze. Preparing my 1 egg. Okay, let's get creative. Some Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. Yum! Okay, look at those nice little oozing out the chocolate. And we're gonna just add some more. Just 3. Some butter. Okay, well, it's Saturday morning, and this is my breakfast, and it looks so delish. This is my egg with my cheese. But before I even get to that, let's get to this. Where's my syrup? Right here. Just a titty smidgen. Just a titty smidgen. That's it. Now for the taste test. Look at that chocolate chip in there. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that, all that butter. When you tap the fork, you know it's good. Well, I hope you guys like this recipe. I don't even know what to call it yet, but you know what? With the Lupin flour, chaffles is just as great, just as good. The possibilities are endless with this chaffle maker. You can just create savory or sweet chaffles. So if you like this video, click on that subscribe button. If you like it, share it, because I'm about to eat my breakfast. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. You guys have a wonderful day. Yum. Ooh, look at that.